Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to repost on Instagram. Repost on Instagram is the latest feature through which you can repost any reel or post on your account that will be available in your profile and anybody can see it. So I'll show you how you can repost. So first you have to simply open the Instagram app. Once the app gets open, then simply go to any post that you want to repost. For example, this is a post. Now as you can see, we have four options here like, comment, send, and also we have this new option up there which is for repost. So repost is that someone has posted something, you click onto it, and then that post will be reposted on your post. It will be in your profile, but it will be shown as a repost, not by you posting. So you can repost any post. You just have to simply click onto that icon. You can go to the reel section and click onto that icon of the repost, and it will get reposted on your profile. You can repost any post until the person who has posted that reel or post has turned off the option for repost for privacy concerns. Otherwise, the repost is available on all the posts and you can literally post anything. So basically the purpose is that if you really like something and you just want to share whatever you like, so you can just simply repost it and it will appear there. Now if you want to see it, you have to go to your profile, and now you can see we don't have any option for the repost. It usually comes there in the section of reels and image. So you just have to simply refresh one to twice and then you will see a new icon will be added, and as you click onto it, then you will see all of your repost. You can just simply click onto any one of these, it will open and you can check what you have reposted. One thing you have to understand that if your account is public, then any person will be able to see what you have reposted, and if it is private, then your friends or the followers will be able to see what you have reposted. So that's how you can repost on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.